This is 2007 Honda Accord. I'm gonna replace the inner tire, the vehicle in a jack and a jack stand. After that, make sure this steering is straight. So I open the tire. This is the tire rod. This is the outer, and this is the inner tire rod and outer. So I put the mark. You see this red little mark. Then this is 24 millimeter. This nut, just with a hammer or something, just loose it. So this is loose now, and tie a little bit like this, leave it like that. Then I'm going to open this nut. So take the cotter key first. So this is the 17 millimeter nut. Let me take this off. Take this nut off. And with the hammer, just tap a couple times like this. It's loose now. There we go. Take this off. Okay, now, so just take the outer tire rod off. See this is like, this outer tire is bad. See how it is moving. And the inner tire is good. When you like pull and try to push this, you have no play. That means inner tire is good. So this inner tire is good, have no play at all. So I'm gonna leave it not like this. So this is the 14 millimeter wrench. Just leave it like this, and if you have somebody, just hold it like that. And the new outer tire rod, just tie it up. So I tied it up this. See this mark is matched with this right here. And just simple put this on the hole. Before, how loose the old one, this one is you can't even move with the hand. So just put this inside like this, and they give you like with the new one, castle nut and cotter key. Just put the castle nut, tie it up, and put this cotter key, and after that is bend cotter key, so it's not gonna came out. If you change this, most of the time you have a problem with the alignment. You have better you do the alignment like proportional alignment. If you change this inner tire rod, you must have to do the alignment. But this one, it depends how it's better to do the alignment. Otherwise, your tire wears unevenly. All right, thank you for watching.